Hello, everybody, and welcome back to the KB Weather streams here. Welcome to the behind-the-scenes footage. We are not going to edit this or anything. We just need to get it out to the public really fast. So bear with me here if we have any issues. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into our main topic here, which is we do have a severe weather risk tonight. And as you can see, we got a marginal going through southern Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Texas here. And then we have a slight risk going through Kansas and Oklahoma. We are going to be watching for tornadoes there as well. McCook, that is also included in that. So the areas mainly included here that are areas of concern in these risks are Dallas, Texas, Fort Worth, Texas, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma, and Arlington, Texas. And in the slight risk, we have Wichita, Kansas, Enid, Oklahoma. I hope I'm saying that right. Hutchinson, Kansas, Garden City, Kansas, Dodge City, Kansas. Those are all one of the probable risks we see there. For the tornado threat, we are going to be looking at maybe going up to a 5% there. Ooh, and it cut me off. So 2% here, just going through, again, same coverage areas that we had before. Now right here, we do have a 5%, so that is also going through the slight risk areas. But the main concern with that is, I know 2 to 5% does not sound like a big deal at all, but with my experience with just up to 5%, and that's here in Nebraska, not even Oklahoma or anywhere that has big tornado experiences, we've gotten tornadoes. We've gotten like 1 or 2 tornadoes, and I think even one time there was like a tornado outbreak going up the Northeast, yeah, there's a lot of things that can happen on just a 5%. So we are going to be watching closely on this system, and we are classifying ourselves as a national coverage area now, if you're wondering about that. But we will mostly just be, other than just giving forecasts on Nebraska and Lincoln alone, we will be doing forecasts on like what you can expect in terms of weather across the U.S. whenever we detect a change or stuff like that. Like if the jet stream changes or there's a new cold front coming down that's going to make a bunch of snow or be a big tornado season, a lot of that. We'll be covering that. And we will also, if these severe thunderstorms get too bad out here tonight, we will be live covering them, bringing it to you live. Unfortunately, we are not ready for a storm chase yet, so, I mean, even if we were going to storm chase, this is probably going to be out of our range, but if we are going to go storm chasing, it's going to be in Nebraska. But anyway, we will be bringing it to you live. I will hop on the computer, and I will start a live stream. Let's just hope our hardware encoder over here does not bring us off the air. It's been having a bit of troubles on the recent streams anyway, but we'll have to see. So anyway, going into the wind threat, we do have a 5. That's not right. There we go. The wind risks down here didn't line up. Okay, so we got a 5 to 15% up here as well. So we are probably going to see some. At least we're going to expect golf ball size hail. If it gets any bigger than that, then yeah, we may have a problem. Or no, I am not talking about the hail right now, am I? It's just been a rough morning. Anyway, if we are going to expect some wind, it's probably going to be just the wind that like knocks down your trash can or blows it away, stuff like that. So I would recommend securing outdoor things as you can while the wind is silent right now. Outside the studio, I can see. So So tonight is going to be a type of windy night that also kind of fuels our tornado threat, as well, and that's not really gonna help, does it? But hail threat, as it goes. That's even touching parts of Lancaster County there, so we will be watching. But 5 to 15% chance again. In the 15% chance, I would likely see some golf ball size hail, if anything. If it gets any bigger than that, then we do have kind of a problem, and I would hop on air immediately. And for the sake of tornadoes, if we do see a tornado touchdown or a tornado watch, we will be bringing it to you live right away as soon as possible. So, yeah. Kind of already gone over all of our bases here. And thank you to the National Weather Service website here for gaining us access to all this. And if you want to go to the National Weather Service website to see all this, just type in spc.noaa. I should probably explain it. So type in spc .noaa.gov, and you should be able to. At least it'll pop up with a recommendation. If not, it'll take you straight there, so you can get something like this viewed up there. But before we get any further here, well, let's go ahead and let me switch it over here to our Skycam really quick just before we go off the air. And maybe we can get a look at our Lincoln View camera right now. Well, looks like the Allo Fiber cam is down. That's okay. Hold on. Just give us 1 second. I can get the main tower near 1011 if I can. Maybe not. Well, looks like the sky cams are not having a bit of a good day today, so we'll get back in touch, and maybe when the stream starts later, if there is any stream, we will be, they may get it back online, but right now it does not look like it's online, so unfortunately that's where it ends right now. But anyway, if I can get it up here. Just bear with me here. bear with me. I'm trying the best I can. Okay. Okie dokie. Well, I think that covers plenty of our stream today, or what we're going to expect. So, thank you all for tuning in to this quick weather update, and I will see you later at the stream if there is a stream. And if there is a stream, we will be scheduling it right away for you guys, so don't worry about that. All right. Thank you, everybody, and well, I'll see you later, possibly. Bye-bye!